I'm going to switch from working inside of the basket to working on the outside of the basket.
Now after we've got the slip stitch, and then a single crochet, and then a single crochet into the back loop, now we're going to switch the colors, and it doesn't matter what kind of color you use. You can choose anything you'd like. And we're going to form a slip knot, short end over the long end, pull the long end through. Now I'm going to start right here on this very back part. And I'm just going to try to figure out where the middle is just by looking at it. And I'm going to choose the one right in front of it. So I'm going to go into this back loop. See, there's two loops that are on top of the stitch. I'm going to go into the back loop only, working into the back loop, and I'm going to cast on with a single crochet. So I'm just going to pull my yarn through where I've got 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, that's a single crochet, and then the next stitch I'm going to do a double crochet. So I'm going to count down from the top, 1, 2. And I'm going to go into that loop right there, and I'm going to pull that yarn through that loop, that front loop, where I've got 3 on my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through the last loops. Okay, for that's a double crochet. So now I'm not going to work in this stitch right here because that's the stitch I just worked, except I just went into the front post 2 rows down from the hook. So now I'm going to go directly into the next one. I'm going to go into this back loop. I'm going to do single crochet. I'm going to do 3 more single crochet for a total of 4. Okay, now I've got my 4 single crochets in the back loop. Now I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to do a double crochet. I'm going to go down into, and if you can also count the front loops to find out exactly, where your stitch is down here, so I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. I know I did 4 single crochets, and then I can go down into this one and pick it up. I know that one belongs to that. And then I can just pull my yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then again, we're not going to be working into that because we just worked into it right here, but we just worked into the front post or the front loop. Okay, now we're going to go into the next one, into the back loop, and we're going to do single crochet. Now we're going to do 3 more single crochet for a total of 4. Okay, now we're going to do another double crochet. So you just yarn over. I can count down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I know that that next one is going to be the one I want to go into. Go into the front loop, second row from the hook, and put in your double crochet right there. Okay, now we're just going to repeat this all the way around. So into the very next stitch, single crochet into the next 4 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now double crochet. Okay. Now single crochet into the next 4 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to tie it together really fast. Tie in the loose ends later. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now double crochet into the front loop, second row down from the hook. Okay, now 1 single crochet into each of the back loops. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to double crochet into the front loop, 2 rows down from the hook. Now single crochet into the next 4 stitches in the back loop. One, 2, 3. I'm going to crochet these in as I go. And 4. Just crocheting right over those tails so I don't have to worry about weaving them in later. But I'm just going to snip them off. Then I'm going to do a double crochet. Okay, now single crochet into the back loop of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now double crochet, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So looks like my loop is right here. Let's make sure I got that right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet into the back loop of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, then a double crochet to the front loop, second row down from the hook. One single crochet into the back loop of the next 4 stitches. 2, 3, 4, then double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet, front post, or front loop, I'm sorry, not post, loop. Okay, 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, back loops, 2, 3, 4, and then a double crochet. Instead of 4 single crochets into the back loop, I'm going to do 3. And then I'm going to do my double crochet right there. Okay, and then a single crochet into the next loop. So it will be 2, separating those. So now I'm just going to slip stitch it together. I'm going to chain 1, pull it up a little bit to leave a tail to weave in, cut it off, okay. Go with the orange. It's a little thinner, I think. So I'm going to put on my slip knot. I'm going to go into the top loop, into the back loop of the double crochet that we had just done. Just pick a double crochet, it doesn't matter where. And then the next stitch is going to be a double crochet right next to it. Okay, and then the next 4 stitches are going to be in the back loop, 1 single crochet to the next 4 stitches. Okay, and then a double crochet right next to it. And then 1 single crochet into the back loops of the next 4 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a double crochet right next to it. So now it's easy. All you have to do is put the double crochet right next to the one that you had just done on the previous row. So now we're just going to repeat this all the way around. And we're just going to keep adding colors as we go. Okay, now I want to do my double crochet right next to the one I had just done. So I just count down from 1 to 2, second row down, pick up that front loop. Then 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next 4 stitches. And then a double crochet to the front loop. So this is how it's looking so far. 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next 4 stitches.
Okay, now you can add as many colors as you'd like, for as tall as you'd want it to be. So you can just keep adding different colors. Thank you for watching.